My dear friends, this is the location where we have parked our vehicle, and we are just uh, preparing our lunch. So I will take you what we are doing at this stage. You can see that the place where the vehicle has been parked, that was just prepared by us with the help of rescue boards or recovery boards. Otherwise, it was not possible for the vehicle to climb on such a huge mound of snow. Now I will just show you what is happening here. He is Aditya. He is on the job. He is just cutting garlic, onion, ginger, this green chilies, and this is our camp. We have just set up our camp here. The time is about 1:15, and we will be having sumptuous lunch. Yesterday we had our dinner in the hotel, or in the homestay rather, so it was okay. I can't say that it was very sumptuous, I can't say it was not good, but it was okay. But what Aditya will prepare, that will be mind boggling. He will provide me and as well as himself the best food. You can see the eggs.
And we are storing our own trash and we'll be taking it away just to.
Aditya is keeping his own trash here, so we won't litter anything here. The place will be kept neat and clean
for the future generations and for the other travelers. This particular location,
nobody can know that some activity had taken place here. There was some littering here and there. Everything will be as clear as we found here when we came. So this is the location. Snow all around.
Around 20 kilometers from Kaza.
We have set up our camp 20 kilometers from Kaza, and the weather is very pleasant. There is no wind. It's a sunny day, but clouds have started coming. I will show you the clouds. This blue sky, high mountains, and this is a memorable trip, I will say. The best one can have in his life, because it had snowed day before yesterday, and you can see white snow, thick blanket of white snow. So we are lucky that we came at such a time that we could see fresh snow. So Aditya has
when you want me to start.
Aditya has made all the preparations. He has done his homework, and he has said that you just give me twinkle when I should go for preparation, cooking the food. So
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to let you know that at this temperatures, the temperatures we are in at this moment, this is olive oil, and you see, this is Pomance olive oil, which is usually used for cooking. And look at this; it is turned
almost frozen.
Not frozen, just so viscous, just like it's engine fluid. See?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it is changed in color. This is olive oil. Last night it had frozen because I had forgotten to keep it in the ice box, but now I've got it back in shape, but still it hasn't regained its color. So we are in such hostile weather. Do keep it in mind. This campsite is in hostile weather. We are in negative temperatures.
I will Sorry.
perhaps -5, -7. But the sun is very kind to us. Although there are a lot of clouds, rather there's slight clouds, we are really benefited that there isn't any wind. Had there been wind, we would not have been able to set up camp. So with that, I think I would like to finish and start cooking now.
So I will show you this how the things have been arranged here. This is a
So these are two
LPG pans,
All right. One will be used to cook omelets.
and
The other will be used to heat up the potatoes, जीरा आलू जिसे कहते हैं हम हिंदी में, और साथ उसके बाद हम इसमें रोटियां गरम करेंगे और रोटियां rather सेकेंगे. And this is our crate which contains our utensils, and this is our ice box which contains our food items. We are using ice box in winters not because we do want to keep these things, our food items, cold, but so as to prevent it from freezing. We have eggs with us, we have tomatoes, we have onion, we have lemon. We don't want them to freeze, so we keep them in this insulated ice box, Coleman ice box, which is incidentally very good. So other than that, we have our quilt which we were using, which we had brought in just in case for emergency. Then we had also electric blanket and double blanket, a big size blanket. And other than that, we have our insulated jackets and everything. This is our newest member, gas cylinder, 5-liter gas cylinder. Other than that, we have what is this, thermos, sorry, for keeping water warm, and that is it. So this is our chopping board. I have already done the needful, and this is our chair, a stool. We didn't bring our camping table this time around because we would have, the thing was, the initial idea was that we would have been on the road so much that it would have been futile effort to I'm sorry, I just felt a shortness of breath. It would have been a futile effort to set camp. And anyways, we have set up our gas stove and cylinder in such a way that we do not need table. I did need table, but I just managed to do it differently this time. Had there been table, I would have used table for chopping purposes, but I used the ground. That is it. I managed to sit down. So thank you so much, Parish.
Thank you, Ditta. Thank
Enjoy
you.
your weekend. Stay healthy. Stay
Thank you.
blessed.